How to set up the Omcan stainless steel countertop wood burning pizza oven. Open the legs as the arrow direction. Use two M5x10 screws to fix the handle to the fireball. Use two M5x10 screws to fix the handle to the door. Insert the chimney cover. Use two M5x10 screws to fix the handle to the fuel box. Insert the chimney and then rotate clockwise to lock. Use four M5x10 screws to fix the fuel box to the oven body. Put pizza stone in the oven body and then close the door. To view this model and other products, visit www.omcan.com.